My name is Steve, and I make the coolest things with paper. A few days ago, I took my girlfriend to see the new Super Mario movie. Everything was going great until she saw Yoshi. The second she saw him, that was it. I could actually see the moment I lost all my free time. So, I guess I'm making Yoshi. Now, like any normal, slightly unhinged project, I start with a head. I grab some scrunched up paper, wrap it up, and build the basic shape. Then I bulk it out a bit and cover it with tape. Couple of paper balls stuck on for that signature Yoshi cuteness. I add more structure for the face, especially where the eyes will sit. Then I go big on the nose, like really big. After that, I shape his expression by adding eyelids, because if the eyes aren't right, he's not Yoshi. Moving on to the body, I wrap more paper, tape it up, and glue on the head and tail. For the arms, I tape together the basic shape, bend them into position, and add the palm. Then I poke holes for the fingers and glue those in. The arms get trimmed down and attached to the body. Same idea for the legs. View them, glue them on, and cover everything in tape to hide the gaps. Next, I make the shell by wrapping it up in tape and gluing on strands of tape around it. I add on spikes to the back of his head. Moving on, I wrap two pieces of paper together into a boot-shaped shape, glue them onto a flat piece of tape for the sole, and add a ring on top for the collar. To finish, I glue on his boots. Now, when my girlfriend asked me to make a Yoshi, she didn't specify whether she wanted a baby Yoshi or an adult Yoshi. So naturally, I made both. Oh my God! Because clearly I enjoy making my life harder than it needs to be. Continuing on, I decide they need something to hold on. So I start crafting the stock, then roll the barrel into shape. The magazine gets measured, trimmed, and cleaned up, and I cut on the ejection port for the extra detail. I add a bit more detail to the mag. Then move on to the fore end, build it, shape it, and attach it like I know exactly what I'm doing. Everything gets glued together, including the trigger. Next, I take 4 strips of tape, hold them together with more tape, because tape fixes everything, and poke holes along the top for the rope. All that aside, I can finally start painting with a clean white base coat. Then I mix up Yoshi's iconic green, adding a hint of yellow to get it right. Baby Yoshi, on the other hand, gets a mix of purple, then blue. The boots get painted brown, and the soles, whatever colors this happens to be. The shell starts off orange, the spike red, and I just reverse the colors. It's that simple. For baby Yoshi's eyes, I go with green irises, black pupils, and a tiny bit of white for a little bit of life. Unfortunately, I painted adult Yoshi's eyes off camera. I know, tragic.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Moving on, I add different shades of metallic colors to the shotgun and paint the dynamite red, and finish off with black straps. And with that, I can finally say I'm done. Yeah. Now, I'll admit, the voiceover might be a little bit rough. Sorry about that. I will try to get better eventually. Go easy on me. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, because why not? And I'll catch you in the next. Cheers. Love you, babe.